Hi, happy Mother's Day, Mama. We love you always and forever. And I'm very, very proud of you. Sabi ko lang is, I'm very proud to have you as my mother. You're so kind, caring, and beautiful also. You're so strong, lucky na kaya mo kahit mahirap. And keep fighting. And we appreciate your love and support. Thanks for taking care of us and having concern. And don't pressure and stress yourself too much because we're also worried about you. And I hope you know how much I love you. I really, really do. And I miss you so much. I really, really miss you. I love you. I love you, Mama. And yeah. Happy Mother's Day.
Mother's Day, Ma. Salamat sa lahat. Kasi binibigay mo lahat sa amin. Sana huwag mong papabayaan yung sarili mo, Ma. Kasi nandyan ka lagi. Katrabaho para sa amin. I love you. Bye-bye. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day, Ma. Sorry sa lahat kasi hindi ko nagagawa mga gusto nyo tapos lagi ko kayong sinusuway or minabadiltahan. Sana mapatawad nyo ako sa lahat. Tapos, sana magkaroon na kayo ng tiwala sa akin at sana mag-ingat kayo palagi sa abroad at lagi po kayo sana healthy and good. Kasi, kailangan yon. Kasi pag hindi ka healthy, magkakasakit ka. Tapos, minsan, sorry kung nagmamaldita ako sa'yo. Lagi kitang sinasagot-sagot or kahit ano. Basta sorry for everything. And I wish magkabati na ulit tayo at sana mapatawad mo ako. I love you, Ma. Happy Mother's Day again.
Mother's Day po, Ma. Salamat po sa pag-aalaga sa amin. Thank you po sa pang-araw-araw at sana po maging health ka po at sa pagsusuporto sa amin. Nandito lang po kami sa tabi mo. Happy Mother's Day po, Ma.